Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The high-pitched song is actually a mating call belted out by males. Each species has its own distinctive song that only attracts females of its own kind. This allows several different species to coexist. Cicadas are the only insects capable of producing such a unique and loud sound.
Make your mark, take our lead.
But they're quite rare, well less than 1%. Instances of blue, silver and white eyes have been reported in a number of different cicada broods. I usually get a report or see one for every emergence, he said.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.